In continuation of our trigonometry class, if you have not seen my previous videos, then please do see it. Here we have exercise 8.1 trigonometry class 9 Maharashtra State Board. There in exercise 8.1 there are 4 problems. So on the board I have kept 2 of them. The remaining 2 we will be doing later. There is a triangle PRQ which is 90 degree at R. So we know that the side just facing the right angle is the hypotenuse. Okay, so I have to find sine of P, cos of Q, tan of P and tan of Q. So P, I have to go at P. Okay, sine means opposite divided by hypotenuse. So RQ is the opposite and PQ is the hypotenuse. Now if you are saying or thinking that if I write QR, yes, you can write it as QR upon QP also. Now this is cos of Q. So if I am here, cos means adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So adjacent is RQ or QR and hypotenuse is PQ. So cos Q is RQ upon PQ. Now tan of P. P is here. Tan means opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite is RQ and adjacent is PR. So tan P is RQ upon PR. Now tan of Q. Tan of Q is opposite divided by adjacent. That's PR upon RQ. Now here it is right angle at Y. This is X, this is Z. And in the problem it is already given that YZ is A, YQ is B and XZ is C. So sine X from X, opposite is A and hypotenuse is C. So it's A divided by C. Tan of Z. Tan is opposite divided by adjacent. So from Z, opposite is B and adjacent is A. Again, cos of cos of X. So X is here, adjacent, that's B, divided by hypotenuse, which is XZ. Now tan of X, this is X, opposite divided by adjacent. So tan X is A upon B. So you can just pause the video here and just review it again, and after that we will be doing the third and the fourth problem also. Problem number 3 and 4 of exercise 8.1 class 9 Maharashtra board. Third problem says that this is a triangle LMN 90 degree at M. This is 50, this is 40, this is 90. So what is the value of sine 50, or how are you going to write sine 50? Sine 50 means opposite, that is Mn divided by the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse, that is Ln. Cos 50. Adjacent, that is Lm divided by the hypotenuse, that is Ln. Tan of 40, opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite is Lm and adjacent is Mn. Cos of 40, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So Mn divided by Ln. So this part is over. Sine 50, cos 50, tan 40 and cos 40. Now this is another problem. Problem number 4, 8.1 class 9 Maharashtra board. So sine of alpha, this is alpha, this is theta, this is not given. Okay, this is 90 degrees. Now I have to find what is the sine alpha. Sine alpha is opposite, that is PQ divided by hypotenuse, that is PR. Now cos of alpha, adjacent, that is RQ divided by PR, which is the hypotenuse. Tan of alpha, opposite, divide by adjacent. So opposite is PQ divided by adjacent, that is RQ. Now sine of theta, opposite, that is QS divided by hypotenuse, that is PS. Cos of theta, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent is PQ and hypotenuse is PS. The last one, tan of theta. Tan of theta, opposite over adjacent. That's QS upon, so opposite upon adjacent. Opposite and adjacent is PQ. So this is exercise 8.1. So very easy. All you have to know is the sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, tan is opposite over adjacent. Thank you so much.